I'm going to make the computer repeat something 100 times with one line of code. Did you see that? I didn't type it 100 times. The computer did. Imagine writing your name 100 times. You'd be like, no thanks. And that's why loops exist. A loop is just a way to repeat something automatically. And that's it.
Let's bring this on a new line so it's easy for us to read and give it one empty space. If you don't give it the space, you'll get an error like this.
This says, repeat this 5 times. Let's play a game. But wait, before I run this, how many times do you think it will print? If you know the answer, like and comment below now.
Pause the video now. Come on, you can do it. You have 5 seconds. Did you get it correct?
This is where it gets satisfying. Now imagine, instead of just emojis, this could be game scores, enemy spawns, animations. Now try this. You just created a loop system. Let's break it. What happens if I do this? Okay, maybe not that much. Loops are powerful because you don't need to repeat yourself. The computer does it for you. That's what real programmers do. Here's a challenge for you. Make something repeat 3 times, then 10 times. Then try printing something crazy like this or this. But the main thing is to have fun with it. And in the next video, we're turning all of this into a real game where the computer reacts to you. Click the next video now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content like this.